Hello and welcome to webinar. So in this video you will be able to learn how you can use the Divi Advance Gradient. So you need to enable your Divi Builder. Just build from scratch and create a new section. I will go to the section settings, then add a background image. I will use this one and add a gradient above that. Just scroll down and click yes. Now you will see our gradient is present on the image. You can click on this to change the color of the gradient. Just scroll down and also click on this to change this color as well. If you want to add another color, you need to just click on this plus icon and click on this. Change the color. Just scroll down, you can add many colors. So you can also select the gradient type. You can make it circular. I will see the effect. You can also make it elliptical or the conical. You can also set the gradient direction. You can see, you can increase or decrease this. You can also set the gradient position something else. There are the different positions present here. I'll keep it default, and after that you can also repeat your gradient again and again. Once doing these changes, you can go to the gradient option again and make some opacity here and make it transparent as well. Click on this. Let's make it transparent. Click on this. Make it transparent as well. After doing all this, just save your changes. So in this way you will be able to add a gradient, an advanced gradient with your Divi theme. So if you found anything good in the video, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.